Alright, how's it going, guys? So we're gonna start today's video with the tire lettering. Basically, I don't have anything right now. We are running Toyo Proxes, so I went ahead and bought yellow tire lettering for them. We're also gonna try, maybe not on this video, maybe on a future video, instead of having those blue pink calipers, we're gonna go with like yellow to try to match it. I think it's gonna be a very nice combo. But this is what it looks like now. I'm hoping to get it before and after. I'm all the way aired up right now, so the car doesn't look as cool, but I think once it's dropped with the yellow lettering, I think it's gonna look super mean. So here is pretty much what we have here. Microfiber towels to clean the tires with. We also got acetone. These are pretty much what the tire stickers we're running. I'm gonna show them. Just put it on top of the Toyo. So that's kind of how it's gonna look like. And then you're gonna have the one that says like Proxy, like on the opposite side, probably like around here somewhere. Something like that. I think it's gonna look cool. So basically what it includes on the kit is those two per tire. It also includes like the glue that comes with it. I did buy some extra from Home Depot. Comes with gloves. And that's pretty much it. First step is going to be cleaning the tire. So I just came from a car wash. Basically I'm just going to re-clean this with acetone, just like the borders where I'm going to put it. And then yeah, just pretty much glue them on, let them sit for a while, and then we'll have a new look for the car. Alright guys, so pretty much this is the glue that they include in the kit. I did went ahead and bought this guy. It's by Loctite. The reason I like this one is because it says crystal clear. So in case it does ooze out, we can it should be crystal, so it should be like fairly, you know, it doesn't yellow or something like that. And then another thing I liked is that it said impact resistance. One thing you have to think about on your tire, it's moving on the roads, bouncing up and down. And I want the glue to be able to flex a little bit. In the back of this one, it shows a soccer ball. Soccer balls flex also, so I think this should be a good match right here. Bought it at Home Depot.
Spinning in the wind in the storm, a print in my arm, defending the listeners, charm, women in palm, even calm, the limit is gone, back to the galactic, mathematic, radical scale, unravel the veil, and about a boat still sailing, 100 for seas without hope, fashion and frail, catch a ride on an ancient whale, and say by the tail, till we drift on the shore like a sail, and search for the trail, yeah. Up, and away we go, up on the radio, up, and I'm feeling high, up when I'm flying by, up with the world below, come on, I can take you if you want to go, up and be closing in, up, so now let's begin. Catch me if you can through this miraculous maze, cause there's something mystical burning and I'm caught in a blaze. She puts her love on me when I'm least expecting a touch, and she knows where to find me when I'm hiding from such evil forces, riding on these metal horses, trying to pull the doors closed on us and only feed us portions. Then we poison by the lies and the contortionists behind the curtain is burning for certain, with the serpent searching for the merchant that's down to sell his soul for the circus. Ringmaster's position, yo, I ain't bullshitting, I'm full spitting. These righteous rhythms is stitching the earth from fall, so observe the heart, cause you gotta try to reject to get this globe, try to reflect. We the architect to move your arm and your neck, your heart and your chest.
I'm stuck, guys. Oh my god.
Careful.
Just trying to cut the glue. Alright, I'm gonna run inside real quick, guys, and get it unstuck. Tire lettering looks sick though, look at that. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're doing a little bit of test fitting. My fingers are finally unstuck. Now this is gonna be the hard part, just kind of getting it like perfectly like aligned. But I think we pretty much figured it out. I think I like it right there. Let's see. Yeah, I mean it doesn't have to be exactly perfect, but I think that looks really good. You guys be the judge. Cool, so we're gonna get started with this one, same exact procedure for all the other ones.
Up with the world below. Come on, I can take it if you want to go. Up, and we closing in. Up, and we do it all again. And we do it all again. And we do it all again. And we do it all again.
Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with the front ones now. Pretty much the exact same thing. You just want to clean it with acetone, let it dries almost immediately. Give it a quick wipe as soon as you see that no more road debris is on it, and you're good to go. So we're just going to do a time lapse and then we'll show you guys the end result. We'll end up airing down and then see if you guys approve or not. Alright guys, so we just finished the passenger side. I think it looks super dope. I haven't done the driver's side yet. We're about to go do that one, but I want you guys to want you guys' opinion. What looks better, yellow lettering or no lettering? So we're actually gonna air down now for the first time with the lettering and see how it looks. Car is super tall right now. So let's turn on. So we're down. Let's go take a look. Okay, so this is what it looks like without. Air down. Looks pretty basic to me. Okay, it's the first time seeing it. Oh, that looks dope. That looks so freaking dope. We're gonna go to after this, once it dries and whatnot, we're gonna go to another spot to shoot. But man, that looks cool. Look at the back. Oh, we're nice and tucked in. I dig it. I just have to be careful. What I was telling Lulis, that when I air down, I actually like barely make it in. Like, no, I'm rubbing right there. So it rubs right here in this little corner. So I'm wondering if I'm gonna if I air down and air down on one of these guys, will it peel off or I don't know. It looks sick.
No, I thought you were airing down.
Yeah, I dig it. I don't know. You guys be the judge. It looks a little basic like this. It still looks cool. It still looks mean, murdered out. But now it gives it the race car type of vibe on the other side. Cool. We're gonna finish this side and then we're just gonna let it dry and then we'll do a little roller hopefully. Alright guys, so we just finished this side, the driver's side. There it is, aired out. I think it looks so much better than the regular with no tire lettering. I think it looks mean like this. I did want to add a few more yellow accents. But you guys tell me. So basically right now my brake calipers are kind of like this blue color, like a turquoise, and I'm thinking of adding this yellow to it. But you guys tell me, what do you guys think? Does it look good like that? Because I also don't want too much yellow. This is the first yellow thing I ever added on a car. So I don't know, you guys tell me. Your opinion matters. I think it looks sick. My dad doesn't, but I'm not the biggest yellow fan there is out there. So cool. I'm gonna conclude the video here. I don't know if I already uploaded the double din stereo that I'm adding, but if I already uploaded, I'm gonna do more videos soon. You guys tell me what you guys want to watch, what you guys want me to do. I am planning on doing like cat deletes on these, and then gonna go get a tune, so I'm excited for that too. Cool. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.